So in this recording, we'll see how we can use ADK to create structured output, Google uh, Agent Development Kit, right? So here, the use case that I took is there is a chat transcript from a meeting that happened between a product owner and a product engineering lead, right? I'll take that chat transcript and I want to create a structured output from that transcript where the structured output will contain the meeting notes, the key points that were discussed in the meeting, and the action items from that meeting, right? So to create structured output using Agent Development Kit, I first need to create a Pydantic object, right? So here I created that Pydantic object, I called it chat transcript, and there are two attributes, meeting notes and action items, right? And then I am using the GPT 4.1 model, right? I am using the light LLM abstraction on top of it. Then the other uh, attributes when you create the agents are similar to what I have shown in my previous recordings. You need to have a name, the model, instruction. So here I had to play with the prompt a little bit. And one more thing I noticed is that this particular feature is not stable in Agent Development Kit. In fact, I raised a bug for this structured output from the LLM agent, right? The thing that I see is if I use OpenAI structured output, I almost always get a valid JSON, right? That and then I get the output in a structured output always. But in this case, what I see is that it is not always consistent, right? So with GPT 4.0, it didn't work. I actually then had to move to GPT 4.1, and in the instruction, I had to say, you are an excellent meeting note extractor. Please extract the meeting minutes from provided chat transcript. Given a transcript, respond only with a JSON object containing. Actually, it is not. I copied it from another the ADK's example. That's why it is there. Containing the meeting notes and action items. And I had to say, do not add anything else, right? This is what I had to put, right? And then I gave the format meeting notes, action items, action items. This is where I plugged in the output schema. And I said the output key is meeting minutes, meeting underscore minutes. So basically, whatever the output will be, I can actually take it from this output key. This like if I had other agents, I can pass this as a context using this key as well, right? Then since I'm using the agent debugging feature, I created a root agent, right? A root agent equal to node extractor agent, which is this one. And in the init.py, I imported the agent, right? And then this is another request that I made to agent development kit is like if you want to use the agent development kit, agent debugger, the name of this module should always be agent.py. You cannot name it anything else, right? You can give it, you can create it under a folder, chat transcript, and then you can use the agent debugger, right? But this is how you basically do a structured output where you need to create a Pydantic object of the output in the way you want it, and then in the output schema you say what that structured output is, right? Now let's run it, and let me run the agent debugger. So when I go to the agent debugger now, right, I will now provide the chat transcript, and I'll provide that transcript, right? And I ran it, right? So this is the transcript that I synthetically created, which is a discussion between the product manager or the product owner and the product engineering lead, right? So it actually then created this structured output from me, right? This is the meeting note. These are the meeting, it extracted this as meeting notes, right? And these are the action items. LX2 updates back to reflect the scope down phase one deliverables, Jordan to rebalance task in light of front end's leads absence, Alex to coordinate with design to stagger reviews and free up time, Alex to schedule a 30-minute check-in meeting for next Friday to reassess progress, right? And if I click on this, I can see that this is the note extractor. I had only one, right? Under response, nothing. Let's see if, okay, so this gives me the content parts, right? So if you see parts like this is A2A compliant, right? Agent to agent protocol compliant. So I have all this other things, right? The meeting minutes. This is the meeting minute, meeting notes, action item, right? And finally okay, this there's nothing here. So this is the final output. Under response, I don't have anything else. State, meeting notes, action item, artifacts, there is nothing. Session, yeah, I didn't create any evals, right? But this is how you create or use structured output with agent development kit. But as I said, it is not consistent. I had to play around with the prompt, and with GPT-4o, it did not work. I had to use GPT 4.1. So let's see how this feature evolves. And as it evolves, I will come back with probably another recording. Thank you.